There, you are here. I'm so glad that you joined Instagram for Fashion online program. For who don't know me, I'm Maristella and I'm the jewelry designer for Made in Art Romantic Jewelry and the fashion business coach for eBooks for Fashion. I created the Instagram for Fashion because I wanted to create a very short and quick to learn online program that can help you to grow your Instagram followers, but most of all, to turn them into your customers, loyal and repeated customers for your fashion business. Instagram for Fashion, it's a very easy, simple step-by-step online program that you can apply straight away to your fashion business. So let's dive in with the program. Just watch this video that I will go through each step of the program. Download the book just below this video with the full course. And the last step, I have a bonus for you with the best 7 apps for your fashion business that you can use to edit all of your photos for your Instagram profile. So let's start, enjoy this course and apply straight away in your fashion business. I'm sure you will grow your Instagram followers very quickly and you will turn them into your perfect customers, repeated and also loyal customers for your fashion business. So bye for now and let's go dive in. Bye. Instagram for Fashion. How to grow your Instagram followers and turn them into customers for your fashion business. Are you stressed on how to grow your Instagram followers? Are you wondering on how to grow the engagement on your Instagram profile? Are you struggling how to turn your Instagram followers into customers for your fashion business? You are not alone. I had the same problem as you many times before. I had the same problem in my jewelry business, Made in Art, and I've seen many of my ebooks for fashion students and clients with a fashion business struggling a lot for the same reason. So you are in good hands. Instagram for Fashion course will give you a clear strategy and help you to grow your followers and turn them into customers. Because I'm not interested that you grow your followers. I know that if you grow your followers is very important. You can get more people knowing your brand or your fashion business or your fashion services. But most important for me is that you can turn your followers and fans into customers, into real customers, repeated customers and loyal customers for your fashion business. So it's not important how many people are following you, but the most important thing is that your profile can be attractive, your Instagram profile can be attractive and can turn your followers into customers for your fashion business. Because otherwise, who cares how many followers you have if they are not engaged, if they are not taking action on your fashion business? This strategy helped me. The strategy I put in the book you can download just below this video. So the full course is in the ebook, is my strategy, the same strategy I used for my Instagram profiles, ebooks for fashion, and Made in Art to turn from 0 to 11,000 followers in less than 6 months. But most important, most of them became my customers and repeated customers for my fashion businesses. So are you ready? Let's dive in. So here is what you can find in my ebook, in the book about the course, the full course. So I divided the course in 12 chapters. So in this way you will find a more digestible course, a more digestible strategy that you can apply straight away in your fashion business. Let's start. First chapter is about how to write a killer Instagram profile and bio for your fashion business. So, how to write what is most important that your customers, dream customer, can understand about your business in your profile and bio. The tips and tricks how to create the perfect profile and bio for your Instagram fashion business. Second chapter, how to build an irresistible Instagram feed. So, what does it mean? So, it means how to create the most attractive pictures that people will just when they watch your profile, they will see, oh, wow, I want to follow her because your pictures are so attractive, because are so cool. You are really creating an amazing Instagram profile that people will love and they will follow you. Just remember that you are a creative person, whether you are selling fashion products or fashion services, you are coming from a creative side. Even if you are more into business than creativity, I'm sure that you have also a creative vein in yourself and you can apply to your Instagram profile. If you are a fashion designer instead, if you are a jewelry designer or you are a stylist, I'm sure you are really creative and you can apply all of your creativity, put into your Instagram feed and attract the best people, the right people for your fashion business. Third chapter is about how to craft a beautiful Instagram caption. So it's not only important to have beautiful pictures, but I want you to create content for your Instagram profile because people all I know that the Instagram is a visual platform, but also people want to read and they want you to also ask them to do something. So taking action, to put a call to action into the caption. So that's why I created a really good strategy for your captions. Fourth chapter, how to create the perfect Instagram hashtag strategy. As you know, hashtags are so important for your fashion business because in that way you can grow your followers and also you can attract the right people for your fashion business. Yeah, the most important that you get the right target for your fashion business and you can do that through the hashtag strategy for Instagram. Fifth chapter, how to make awesome Instagram stories. Instagram stories Instagram stories and a new feature in Instagram, and not many people are taking advantage of it. So this is now the right time to do that, to take advantage of Instagram stories and create beautiful Instagram stories for your fashion business. Sixth chapter, how to analyze your Instagram insights and attract your right dream customers. So I really need that you check your insights inside Instagram. Check who are the people that are already following you, if you have a profile already on Instagram, and try to understand why they're following you. Try to read the numbers and scale those numbers to attract the right dream customers for your fashion business. Instead, if you're just starting out and you want to create an Instagram profile, remember that you have always to check the insights, and I will explain you in this chapter what to do to get the best from your followers. Seventh chapter is about how to select the best tools and schedulers to grow your Instagram community. I'm a big fan of tools and schedulers. Why? Because I think that you have always to plan ahead in your fashion business. You cannot just just post some pictures here and there, but you need to have a full strategy also to post your pictures on Instagram. So you need to get the best tools possibles and schedulers so you are organized, because Instagram for you is a marketing strategy, is a sales strategy. You need to get the best of this social platform to engage with your community, to grow your community and turn your community in very loyal customers and fans, and this way make sales for your fashion business. Eighth chapter is about how to choose the best automation for your Instagram profile and remain authentic with your fashion business. This is a very important chapter. I'm a big fan of automation because I think you really need to automate as much as possible your fashion business, because I'm sure you have hundreds of things to do in your fashion business from the morning to the night. So I'm sure that you want to automate as much as possible. So take advantage of the artificial intelligence right now and use it also for your Instagram profile. Ninth chapter, how to grow your engaged followers and community, build a strong relationship and turn them into customers for your fashion business. In this chapter, I will reveal my technique, my strategy to how to engage more the community and also to build a strong relationship and turn all your followers into customers for your fashion business. 10th chapter, how to run Instagram ads and Instagram stories ads and take advantage, so all the advertising. If you are ready, if you are at a certain level, I would like you to try Instagram ads and Instagram story ads for growing your community and turn them into customers. 11th chapter is another form of advertising, and it's about how to leverage influencers on Instagram, because you can grow also your audience through other people and especially influencers on Instagram. The 12th chapter, the last chapter, is about a checklist. So, what your Instagram audit and checklist. So, I would like you to answer all the questions I put in the checklist and to see it's like a scorecard. So, in this way, you can understand which level you are with your Instagram profile and how to improve your Instagram profile. And so, in this way, you can know exactly how to grow your Instagram followers and turn them into customers. So at the end, you have basically my what you can do right now to start to growing your fashion business with Instagram. Just remember also to download the bonus, because in the bonus I have the best 7 apps I'm using myself for creating the best pictures for your Instagram profile, pictures and videos as well, how to edit the pictures and videos for your Instagram profile. So in 2017, more than 150 million people experienced Fashion Month through the lens of Instagram. So you can imagine how Instagram is getting so powerful. So is getting is a very powerful platform. Instagram's visual platform has made it an easy option for fashion businesses to showcase their products and services, which have essentially resulted in brands strengthening their business and expanding their reach. This year, 2017, more than 150 million people experienced Fashion Month through the lens of Instagram, a threefold increase from 50 million users the year before. However, successful fashion businesses on Instagram take more than publishing attractive images. As I said, it's not only about images, even if it's a visual platform, but it is the product of a thoughtful strategy, a well-defined fashion business identity grounded in visual creativity and effective community management. What does it mean? That you need to grow your followers, but to create a very strong relationship with them. And so in that way you can engage with people and create a strong relationship and grow your business. I created this course to help you to develop an Instagram marketing strategy for your fashion business based on clear goals and measurable results. So now I want you to answer one of the most important questions for your fashion business and to grow your Instagram profile. Before starting with the whole strategy and following my advices in this book, I want to ask yourself this simple question. What is my goal with Instagram? So take a white paper and write down what is your goal with Instagram. Maybe you want to grow your audience, maybe you want to engage with your community, get more followers, maybe you want to get more sales, maybe you want to just drive your audience from Instagram to your YouTube channel. Anyway, make sure to write down your clear goal and stick to it. So only in this way you can really get the best and benefit from this social channel for your fashion business. So now it's your turn. Now it's up to you. Download the full course, the ebook from this video, just below this video, and download also the bonus book, just again the second step from below this video, and start to grow your audience right now. Start to engage with your followers, know your numbers, your insights in your Instagram profile, and just applied all the techniques I put in this ebook, and you will see a very big growing in your followers and especially in your customers for your fashion business. I hope you will enjoy this course, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach me in my Facebook group or just write an email to info@ebooksforfashion.com. So I hope you enjoyed, and turn it's up to you right now. So it's your turn. Grow your audience right now, and I see you later. Bye for now.